ema-ofisini kugcwele ama-Nigerian sifuna ukwazi umphathi uma ukuthi umphathi wethu noma umphathi wabantu bangaphandle kwenzakalani. Sifuna ukwazi epolice station lena eyani yase-South Africa noma yangaphandle ngoba sikusabi kuhle kugcwele ama-Nigerian ungazi ukuthi kwenziwani la. Siyeza phela la phansi la kugcwele ama-Nigerian ema-stepsini ema-ofisini kugcwele ama-Nigerian sifuna ukwazi umphathi uma ukuthi umphathi wethu noma umphathi wabantu bangaphandle kwenzakalani la.
Long live the spirit of no surrender, long live. Long live the spirit of no give up, long live. Long live the spirit mayibuye South Africa yethu yakudala mayibuye. Sithi phansi ngamaphoyisa nobukhonyovu phansi. Sithi mawahamba abantu bokufika mabahambe. Abahamba abantu abangekho bomthetho kunelizwe mabahambe. Sithi phambili ngabahlali base-South Africa phambili. Into esiyilethe la iphezu kwamandla wethu, but ayikho phezu kwamandla wethu ngale ndlela ukuthi ngasihlula uma sisebenzisana, ngoba into esiyibonile ngale police station isebenzisana kakhulu nabantu bokufika phandle ukuthi isebenzisane nabantu basekhaya. Namhlanje sizoletha umlayezo wokuthi iSouth Africa belongs to the South African. ISouth Africa I belong to Nigeria. Nigeria for Nigerians. Zimbabwe for Zimbabwe. Mozambique for Mozambique. Ethiopia for Ethiopians. ISouth Africa izwe lethu. Brigadier, as abahlali bala eSouth Africa, which we are here as Hillbrow residents, sinesikhalo ngepolice station yakho. Amaphoyisa wakho, they are conducting themselves unfairly kunobukhonyovu abakuyenzayo ebuhlalini. Basebenzisana nabantu bokufika, ithi noma baboshiwe labo bantu bayangena bakhishwe. Singazi ukuthi bakhishweleni ngoba ngokomthetho umuntu wokufika onganamaphepha o illegal in our country should be deported back to their country. But because the police station it depende kubo labantu ngama 500 iyabakhipha. Mari masokufika ebantwini bakithi eSouth Africa baqinisa amakhesi abantu kumele amacala wabaqhubeka ephambili. Namhlanje size la sizobuza ukuthi le police station iserve bani between the people who are illegal in our country who are undocumented or either people who are documented such as us, the citizens of this country. Namhlanje kukuwe uzosiphendula ukuthi what does the law says when comes kumuntu wokufika onganamaphepha o illegally o ona ibuilding ongekho komthetho nithini nina kuyokhipha labo bantu. Namhlanje sizonazisa sinikhumbuze umsebenzi wenu engathi senukhohliwe ukuthi naqashelwa to serve the resident, the citizen of this country. You seems now you became enemy yabahlali labahlali okumele ba protect nina lamakwerekwere nawan attacker. Because siyazi kahle labantu bongaphandle abanihloniphi ngezenzo zenu ngoba nisebenzisana nabo. Ngithi ningamangali kusasa brigadier baku-replace labantu bangaphandle sesibona u-station commander wonkongongkong yingeke into esiyivume singama-South Africans ngoba our security cluster will be at risk if it can be led by umuntu wangaphandle. If kuzogcwala amaphoyisa wangaphandle nikhona sizoba nenkinga ngoba bazosijezisa nangento esingayenzanga. Because we can see we can see foreign nationals, they are intending to hijack our country at our present, and angeke yenzeke sisaphila. Kwenzeka kanjani namhlanje ninikeza abantu bangaphandle inkululeko esayilwela more than us? And leyo nto leyo siphakeme singabahlali sithi manje isikhathi, the time is over for people bokufika ukuthi bazozenzela kwelethu ilizwe esalwela iminyaka neminyaka, silwa namabhunu, silwa na wonke umuntu against the freedom of the people. Abanye benu nigqokele uniform just because nizokwazi ukuthatha amabribe, anigqokanga le uniform ngesiciniso sokusebenzela umphakathi. Sithi manje kunomthetho, umthetho ophikiza abantu abathengisa ama-drugs, which is Drugs Trafficking Act number 140 of 1996. That act ichaza ukuthi umuntu othengisa idakwamiso makaboshwe and akavunyelwanga ukuthengisa idakwamiso ngoba lezo idakwamiso zijike zifakwe ingane zethu ngepurpose ukuthi zidakwe bazokwazi ezabo ingane ziye ezikolweni zizothatha le misebenzi yenu maningabhekanga. Angeke sivumele amaphoyisa acorrupt, amaphoyisa angawazi umthetho to make i-country yethu ibe lawlessness. Sithi brigadier namhlanje sizocela kuwe actual akusisicelo esedemand to say wonke lamaphoyisa aphume endleleni mele ajeziswe under section 40 aye for disciplinary inquiry under Criminal Procedure Act. Uyayazi lo act brigadier as a commander yale ndawo lezinto ziyenzeke emehlweni wakho ubhekile. Uwenzani wena ubekiwe izisitupa samaphoyisa wakho ukwenza ngesicinisoko ukuthi lamaphoyisa ayastopa ukuhlanganisa nama-Nigeria, ayastopa ukuhlanganisa nama-Zimbabwe, ayastopa ukusebenzisana nama-Mozambican, akuyona basebenzisane nama-South African bazokwazi ukukunceda ukuthi le crime yala idrobheni iphele, ngisho nama-drugs aphele. And imeni yenu baphoyisa niyasifela ngoba nisebenzisana nabo, lezwe leli liyahamba inxa yenu, ninikeza labantu amandla phezu kwamandla wethu South African, and angeke sivume ukusukela namhlanje. Sithi mabahambe amakwerekore, mawahambe, mabahambe abantu bokufika, mawahambe. Kune building elibizwa ukuthi iPoint. Lelo building likhokhelwa umuntu wangaphandle. Abantu basekhaya bayahluka ilo High Point. Abantu basekhaya bayahlukumezwa ngawo amaphoyisa wabo. Mara abantu bokufika bayayekwa abangekho komthetho kule building. So sithi we demand ukuthi bona mabahlangane ne-immigration liyongenelelwa lo building baboshwe labo bantu okusebenzisana namaphoyisa. Iy'ngane zethu azisebenzi ngoba nani niyacontributa ku-unemployment by making sure you don't remove abantu abathengisa ama-drugs, abanikeza iy'ngane zethu ama-drugs. Ithi maziyofuna umsebenzi bathi awukho umsebenzi. Uhulumeni uyasokola ukusinikeza izindawo ngoba indawo zethu zithathwa abantu ngokungamelanga babe khona kulelizwe. Kunabantu abasaphethe amasifomu owakudala, but amasifomu akhona azayaguga, abugogo baze bayashona, kanti lawo mability bokumele areconvertwe to ama-RDPs kunikezwa abantu basekhaya. Yebo. So manje sizofunda imemorandum yethu yeyikhalazo zethu, and lo memorandum ayingathathwa luwa ayithathwe serious, ngoba ungayithathi serious kuyomele silande uprovincial umaqhuzu wakhe kula sizofinyelela khona. Ayigcini la lento, sibheke wena ke manje ukuthi uphendule la, usebenzisane nabahlali, uncediswe namaphoyisa wakho. Sicela nawo ukusuka namhlanje mawasebenzisane nabahlali, ngoba brigadier ngokomthetho iPolice Service Act 68 iyaguide when it comes to working with the communities. Ingumthetho, asikhuluma imizwa yethu, sikhuluma umthetho uphoqelekile ukuthi usebenze nomphakathi, ngoba umthetho isho njalo. Lo wena ophezukwawo under iPolice Criminal Procedure Act, nawe uyayazi brigadier, ungitshele mangicamba manga, usho phambi kwabantu ukuthi ayendoda ucamba manga, ngithi angicamba manga, singavula incwadi noma ezingaki ukuphoqelela ukuthi nisebenzisane nabantu. Imemorandum yethu izoqala ngokuthi Hillbrow Concerned Citizens Section 13.4 reminder. Uyayazi brigadier, namhlanje i-16 City Attention Station Commander Hillbrow Police Station to Hillbrow Police Station, Enforcement of Section 13.4 of South African Police Service Act 68 of 1995. Background of the concerns. Formal complaint regarding conduct at Hillbrow Police Station. Dear Station Commander, on behalf of the residents, we are here by lodge a formal complaint regarding several serious concerns that have been repeatedly raised within our communities. This matter directly affects public trust in the police service and the safety of our neighborhoods. Targeted operations. Residents report that police operations are conducted aggressively in flats occupied by South Africans. Ilete sishilo lapana ngalela flat le High Point. Ukuthi maniza niza ngamandla kuma South African, mara abantu bokufika nithatha ama 200 rand niyayazi niyabatotosa yethi bangafuneki la
nasetradi labantu abathengisela itradi baboshwa nini.
While the building predominantly occupied by foreign nationals who are left untouched. This selective enforcement has created deep frustration and perception of bias. You are biased in terms of selection, whereas you are selecting abantu bokufika better than us thina abaholi abaphathi thina abantu abazalelwa kule country nisiphatha ngenye indlela tomeli phela ukusuka namhlanje. Recruitment practice. Concerns have been raised about the recruitment of foreign nationals into the police service at Hillbrow Station, which residents believe undermines the confidence in fair representation and accountability. Bahlali ngangishilo ukuthi recruitment yabo that goes also na ku CPF, uthola abantu bokufika ba occupy indawo okungamelanga bazi occupy. Sikhona thina ama South African police maningi amaphoyisa la, anibanika amathuba maningi la, ninika abantu bokufika bazogcwala. Corruption in arrest. There are allegations that illegal immigrants are arrested only to be released upon payment money, with the proceeds benefiting certain officers associates within the station. Yaishiwa uwe ngubani mawusho ukuthi amakwerekwere abantu bokufika bayaboshwa lana mari bayaphuma ngoba amakhesi wabayaphela. Siza ku drug trade protection. Residents have observed the open sale of drugs by immigrants in collaboration with members of Hillbrow Police Station. They are alleged that amaphoyisa walana asebenzisana nabantu abathengisa ama-drugs la eJozi.
Kunamaphoyisa angaphandle asebenza amaphoyisa aboNigeria asebenza la. Le police station lena siyayazi kwenzakalani. Kumele basithule nje.
It is alleged that the senior police captain is directly involved protecting the operation, particularly around CJ nightclub, Bruce Street, and other identified hotspots in Hillbrow and Berea. So, Brigadier, if I'm a citizen, there is alleged your captain osebenzisana nabantu bokufika abathengisa ama-drugs CJ nightclub, Bruce Street, we need you. Abahlali yibo abaphila kule ndawo, yibo ababona izinto ezenzeka mihla nemihla ebusuku nantambama. So kukuwe ukusebenzisana nabahlali bakunikeza isiqiniseko sokuthi nangu lo captain maka investigate makangene ku section 40 adiscipline. Siza kumisuse of police facilities. The public station itself is reportedly being used as a base of corrupt and illegal, unethical activities by officers, including senior leadership. So kusho ukuthi le station sesisetshenziswela ubugebengu, asasebenziswela ukuseva abantu. Isho njalo. This allegation, if left unaddressed, erode public trust and compromise the integrity of the South African police services. Kusho ukuthi if lezinto abazi-attend kuzobanga ukuthi ngaphakathi kwethu ne-police service kungabi nokuzwana and izowisa isidima sale police station njengoba sesiwile lesidima sase police station. Manje siza kuma-demand nama-expectation. Idingo zethu nokuthi sifuna benzeni manje kuya phambili. Number 1, Hillbrow Police Station must invite immigration officers and the Department of Home Affairs to conduct a joint operation enforcing Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 against undocumented foreign nationals. Sithi kini anihlanganise ne-immigration kusetshenzisane kuyosebenza ngabo bonke labantu bokufika abagcwele la edrobheni abanganamaphepha aba-illegal kune-country, laba abathengisa neyidakamisa abagcwele la ngokungekho komthetho. Number 2, okwesibili, drug enforcement. Regular operation must be conducted under the Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act 140 of 1992 to ensure Hillbrow are free from drugs-related crimes. Kusho ukuthi usuku nosuku mele kube nama-operation ukulandwa ama-drug dealer mari bangathathi imali mababoshwe ngoba thina singabahlali soba sibabhekile. Anti-corruption, number 3. Police officers must cease accepting bribes from drug dealers, undocumented foreign nationals, as these contravene both the Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 and Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act number 140 of 1992. Yilento esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi amaphoyisa kuyomele iphele lento yabo yokuthatha ama-bribe kumakwerekwere athengisa ama-drugs, because ukwenza njalo bathengisa izwe lethu ngabantu bokufika bazobathenga ngama-500 rand. Aniholi kangaka, sibizeni silwele nikwazi ukuhola, istophe lento yeni ye-bribery. Siza ku number 4, duty compliance. Police officials must uphold 13.4 and 13.2 of South African Police Service Act 68 of 1995, ensuring competency and accountability in executing their duties and immediate investigation into the conduct of office implicated. Ngokushilo lokhu 13.4 no 13.2. Police abangaphakathi kulento ye corruption, they must be held accountable, brigadier. And then abahlali bayabazi mawubafuna nathi sikhona sokubonisa ukuthi nali the police, nali the police. 4.1. We demand the transparent communication of corrective measures to the community. So ichaza ukuthi kuyomele kube nesiqiniseko iqiniso ukusebenzisana nomphakathi ngale information abakunika yona. Therefore it means for us ukuthi kube nokudlelana kusicede lenyakanyaka esesiyirezile la kuyomele usebenze nomphakathi bahambe nawe bathi na indoda na ithengisa ama drugs awungenelele kuyo kusho ukuthi kuyomele usebenzisane nabahlali
bazosithengisa bona amaphoyisa abangani babo laba ama-foreign abama-drug dealers
4.2.
bazosithengisa bona amaphoyisa.
We demand assurance that operation will be carried out fairly, without bias or corruption. Which means, kithi bahlali, sifuna bayenza isiqiniseko nathi ukuthi wonke lama operation azoyenza ngokwesiqiniseko without lento abayenza emaceleni. By so doing ukuthi kube nesiqiniseko kuyomele basebenzisane nathi bangazenzeli bona bodwa noma ngabe asingeni mara sithi nangu nawa akaboshwe simbhekile sizokwazi nakusasa kuma enkantolo ukuthi hayi sabona iphoyisa limbopha uphume njani akabuyele. So abantu ngekesilungu sithi at the eye of justice. Yibo abayiqiniso lomthetho. Umthetho ngaba khona ungenzi iqiniso mara abantu yibo abaziqiniso ukudlula abantu bomthetho ngoba abantu bomthetho bathatha imali abantu abathatha imali kuma drug dealer. Number 5, disciplinary action. In accordance to Section 40 of South African Police Service Act 68 of 1995, disciplinary proceedings must be instituted against officers who fail to efficiently execute their duties. Ichaza ukuthi lamaphoyisa lawa athola ukuthatha ama-bribe nokungayenzi umsebenzi wabo ngokwesiqiniso lomthetho walamaphoyisa abawusanela u-oath kumele bajeziswe baye for disciplinary action, which yinto esoncedisa ubrigadier ukuthi nali le phoyisa sifuna lijeziswe silibonile. Nayi ke into kumele siyenze ebahlali. Iphoyisa mawulibona lungakuboni lithatha isithombe kube evidence silethe kuye ukuthi nangu nayi nevele lizokwazi ukujeziswa. Number 6, immigration enforcement. Police must act in line with Section 41 of Immigration Act number 13, arresting without warrant all undocumented foreign nationals roaming around Hillbrow, including building named High Point. So which means amaphoyisa no immigration, they can arrest bangabopha without a warrant. Ikhona na ku Criminal Procedure Act yabo. If babona ubugebengu bangabopha kungaphumanga any warrant, it's because ubugebengu. So therefore kuyomele basebenzisane ne-immigration kuyongena kulela ability High Point. Lela ability kumele ligene.
Siyakhona manje siyangena lapha amaphoyisa manje. Siyalapha manje.
Number 7, city community partnership. Hillbrow Police Station must establish a cooperative relationship with the community to combat crime without intimidation or blackmail based on unfounded allegations. kusho ukuthi le police station mele ibe nobudlelwane isebenzisane nabahlali ukuncedisa ukuqeda ubugebengu obukhona la edrobheni without ukuhlukumeza abahlali, without ukuthi wena mhlali wawenzani ngelanga elithizeni ngama-allegations ngobufakazi obungekho. Angithi siyajeziswa kuthiwa lo nawe uyisigebengu ngoba ubufakazi obungekho, wena uze nobufakazi besiqiniso ukuthi nali le bhilidi kunabantu bokufika abamelanga abahlale laphayana, iyajikwa lento kuthiwa wena uwonenkinga. We are granting your office 7 days from the date of this notice to provide a written response for a meeting to address these grievances and outline corrective measures. So sibanikeza amalanga awu7 ukuthi bakwazi ukuhlala nabaholi abakhona, kukwazi ukuthi zonke le inkinga esizivezile kubo silungiseka kanjani ngokusebenzisana nathi abahlali, ngoba kuyomele nabo bazihlele babize bonke abantu abafunekayo o-immigration bonke kuhlalwe phansi nabaholi abakhona lana ukuthi siya kanjani la, singena kanjani la, yini into esifunayo ukuthi singene la. Abahlali, ama-leaders, iy'nkokheli mele zibe khona, kungathathwa isinqumo bangekho.
Yebo.
Failure to respond within the stipulated time frame will compel us to escalate the matter through the appropriate civic and oversight channel. So kuchaza ukuthi if bangaphenduli kuyikhalo zethu kwamele siyithathe manje siyise ku-commissioner, njengoba i-KZN yenzile yathatha ukuthi babangalaleli yathi wemkhwanazi awungenelele. Angithi nala sino-commissioner wethu sithi akangenelele. We trust that you will treat this matter with urgency and seriousness it deserves. The residents of Hillbrow, Berea expect accountability and fairness and police service that uphold the law without fear or favor. So itila si expecta kubo babe neqiniso kuko konke lokho esikhalaza ngako. Amaphoyisa ayenze okufanelekile, kungathukanga ukuthuswa abantu bangaphandle. Ampani bathuswa abantu basekhaya abala eSouth Africa abangakwazi ukubajezisa kunokuthi bathuswa abantu bokufika okungamelanga babe la kulezo lezi. Iphela lapho ke bahlali, so kuyomele asayinele inkokheli ezimele lana zizoza zisayine naye asayine bese ayaziphendulela kithi ukuthi manje ngoba sifikile silethe into efana nalena, usebenzisana kanjani nathi, sizicazulula kanjani, siyanini kule building elithile, siyayenzani, sifunani, sihlanganisa obani nobani. Ngoba masikhuluma ngo-item number 1 we said sifuna i-joint operation, which i-joint operation immigration mele ibe khona ngoba amaphoyisa mawabopha mele immigration ibe khona, akwazi lowo muntu ukudipotwa.
Nangu station commander uzokethule inkulumo kancane photha, uzokethula inkulumo nizwe ukuthi uthini. Emva kwalokho ke bese siyahlukana.
Mmelanga amsheni, ngiyabonga community yase-Hillbrow kakhulu, izikhalazo zenu ngizizwile, ngisayinile nala. Ngizohlala nabaphathi benu sikhuluma ngale ndaba, senze i-planning ukuthi lento enikhala ngayo sizoya nini, senze i-operation, but zofonela abaphathi benu beze sihlale phansi sonke sikhulumisane sibeke i-date. Ngiyabonga.
Lo mlayezo esihamba siwushiya zonke indawo, ekugcineni bazokubona ukubaluleka kwalento esiyenzayo. Ekugcineni nabo labo bokufika bazohamba bangathanga. ngoba lento esiyilwelayo inegazi ngaphakathi elaphalala kudala. Azange sithi masilwela inkululeko salwela abantu bokufika ukuthi bazoyiphuca ezandleni zethu. Ngaso sonke isikhathi singama-South African sihlale sikhalaza izikhalazo zethu ziphethwe abantu bokufika. Yonke lento esiyifunayo ayikho ezandleni zethu. Inkululeko le esayilwela kangaka kwaboshwa abantu kwafa abantu iphethwe abantu okungamelanga bayiphathe. So asingahlukani, asibambaneni, ithi noma sikuwo lamamashi asibambaneni njengoba sibambe, kungabi namacebo aphambanayo ngaphakathi kuzohlukanisa ini indlela okumele sicobe ngayimbi. Siyadingana sonke and nenhlonipho ibaluleke kakhulu. Nakithi singabaholi kumele sibe nendlela yokukhulumisana nani ukuze nisizwe nani kumele nizwe abaholi sibambisane. Ngiyathemba nangakusasa sawuhlangana sibonane siqhubekise lempi. Amandla.
Hey Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Mphakathi uphume ngetingane lapha eJohannesburg wayohlangana lapha neHillbrow police station. Uthi ukhathele abantu bokufika eSouth Africa ngalokungekho emthethweni, uthi ukhathele ma-illegal foreigners, uthi abakhulume iqiniso ukuthi kahle leya police station lapha eHillbrow i-protector bobani ma-South Africans noma ama-foreigners, because they are saying ukuthi emaphoyisa kulesiya station they are defending and protecting illegal foreigners. Bebalaphana kani bafunze ngisho nane-memorandum. People are saying enough is enough. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.